Welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Five-time Olympic gold medalist Elaine Thompson-Herah won her first race since the Brussels Diamond League meet in September 2023 when she dismissed the field to take the women's 60-meter event at the S.W. Isaac Henry Invitational Meet at the National Stadium on Saturday. Thompson-Herah of Elite Performance Track Club clocked 7.20 seconds into a minus 0.9 meter per second headwind to turn the table on Lavanya Williams, who defeated her in her season opener last week. Williams took the runner-up spot in 7.28 seconds, while MVP teammate Antonique Strawn was third in 7.39 seconds.
I'm pleased, I told myself that I get a couple bath last week, so I just come out again, put the race together again. It's a little windy, but I don't really mind the wind. I just came out of mindset just to execute again, and I did that.
Asked if she was back, the fastest woman alive was brief in her response.
I would say that, yes. And I'm satisfied as well.
Meanwhile, in the men's equivalent, Rashid Foster, running unattached, was the overall winner, having contested a heat where World Championship semi-finalist Adrian Carr Falls started. Foster won Heat 3 in 6.68 seconds, ahead of Elite's Sachin Dennis 6.71, which placed him third overall, and CJ Green 6.76 seconds. Bawajian crewmate was the second fastest overall, winning Heat 1 in 6.70 seconds, ahead of Ashani Smith and Darian Skerritt.